Yard. I got a bald-headed eagle in the front yard. I got a bald-headed eagle in the front yard. I got a bald-headed eagle in the front yard. I think it's a turkey. Is it a turkey or a bald-headed eagle? It's a turkey. I thought it was a bald-headed. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Are you an eagle or a turkey? Is that an eagle? I got a bald-headed eagle in the front yard. Hi, you beautiful creature. Or is that a hawk? What are you, beautiful? Hi. It's a bald-headed eagle. It's a bald-headed eagle. Look it. Or is that a turkey? What is that? What are you? What are you? Let me see. What are you, beautiful baby? What are you, beautiful? Hi, are you a bald-headed eagle? Or is that turkey? Is it turkey? That's turkey. I thought it was a bald-headed eagle. Usually bald-headed eagle. Hi, turkey. What are you doing, turkey? Hi, baby. That's an eagle. Look at that. You better call the Environment Protection Agency now. What did come and get a bird? One of the dead birds. Well, they're taking your soul. I love you, little bird. Worst case of bird slaughter in America. I thought it was a bald-headed eagle.